Welcome to another beautiful X-Mix moment. Today we are turning something ordinary, a simple letter, into something extraordinary. We are giving you a beautiful design, X-Mix letter filled with pine cones, twinkling lights, and the soft touch of nature. Because X-Mix is not just about decoration; it's about stories, emotions, and creativity. A ladder, it stands for growth, climbing higher and reaching toward light. When we decorate a ladder for X-Mix, we give meaning to its structure. Each step becomes a level of joy, gratitude, and creativity. And what could be more beautiful than combining it with the raw beauty of pine cones, the wreath of fairy lights, and the rustic charm of jute and nature texture? Find an old wooden ladder, the one resting quietly in your garage or garden. Wipe off the dust, let the wood breathe. If you wish, brush it gently. The white paint, not perfect, just soft strokes that give it a snowy vintage look. Wrap the side with jute rope or burlap ribbon. You can even tie little knots of dried grass or tiny pines branches, just enough to whisper rustic beauty. Now your letter is ready, like a blank canvas waiting for your X-Mix story. Let's bring nature in, the heart of X-Mix decor. Pick some pine cones, small, large, painted or natural. Add dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and a few sprigs of pine or eucalyptus. Tie them together with twine and hang them gently on each step. Every item adds texture, fragrance, and warmth. The smell of pine, the soft touch of jute, the glow of fairy lights, they all come together to create a peaceful X-Mix mood. So, wrap a string of warm golden lights around your ladder. Let the lights fall naturally. Don't forget about symmetry. On the step, place a messenger candle. On another, hang a small ornament or a wooden star. Add one or two handmade crafts, maybe a jute wrapped ball or tiny paper angel. You can even stuck a few pine cones inside the jars for that rustic glow. When the light flickers through, it feels like nature itself is celebrating X-Mix. As you decorate, slow down, listen to the sound of the twine twisting, the pine cones clinking, the faint hum of the lights turning on. This isn't just decoration, it's mindful creation. Every ribbon you tie, every moment you hang is a small meditation in motion. You are not just making a craft, you are building peace. And that's the beauty of X-Mix. These are very so much and beautiful creative ideas of X-Mix decoration are amazing and beautiful. So viewers, hope you enjoying very well. These are very amazing and beautiful designs. So if you like the video, invite your friends and family to join. Let the kids paint pine cones white, red or gold. Let them hang tiny notes of gratitude or wishes from the steps. Your letter then becomes a memory letter, each rung filled with laughter, togetherness, and the true spirit of X-Mix. It's more than decoration, it's connection. When everything is ready, step back, turn off the main lights, and let only your ladder shine. It glows softly in the room, softly in the room, golden, peaceful, and full of heart. The pine cone glisten, the jute adds warmth, and the little ornaments sway gently with the air. You have transformed something ordinary into a piece of living art. Place it by your entryway, near the fireplace, or on the porch.